spent at school. I loved that my friends and I used to play the fool. I loved having so many things to do each day. I loved the art, the music, the chance to pray. I loved to times, to subtract, to add, to divide. I love the games with nowhere to hide. I love the sports that made me stronger. I love the moments that would last longer. I love the chance to make you my very best friend. I love that I have memories that will never end.